So that leather repair kit, whoops, it's snowing there, snow and falling. That leather repair kit I bought a few days ago. Boy, snow falling all over the place here. Big snowstorm last night. But anyway, it was all wore out right here through there. I mean, it's kind of like I had to put 2 coats of that black. I just put black. It didn't match at first, and after I put the clear coat on there, or protective coat, whatever that is, it kind of blended it all up. It was wore right here, and you can see it. You can kind of see it a little bit if you look real close. Where it doesn't quite. I mean, it's pretty close. It looks a whole lot better, let me tell you. Especially this. I had to put 2 coats of the black stuff on there, and you can kind of see a little bit right there. But it's not too bad. And looks good. Had like white spots in it, like snow there. But it was a little bit ore right there. Had some more spots there. Had some white spots I couldn't get off. And this here was kind of coarse, but you kind of feel a little bit. Not too bad. Wouldn't hurt to have another. I did this seat over here, and it really pretty amazing. Took a whole bottle, little tube of whatever that clear coat was. I put 2 coats on there. I put 2 coats of black and 2 coats of clear, and I used a little bit of the black over there and the rest of the clear coat on that. And I'm quite. I mean, I don't know how well it holds up, but it looks good. Looks like it's almost like brand new, almost. You know. I mean, it's a 2010 with 81,000. That's what, 8 years old, so. But it looks pretty doggone good. You could probably clean it up a little bit better, you know, but I'm satisfied. You know, looks real good. Anyway, I'll leave a link down below in the description where I got it at, Amazon and all that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.